good, fabulous followers? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. What we have here is a quick bedding makeover. I entered a clip of how it was looking. Earlier this year, I had brought the little Valentine's red and black love set, if you guys remember that. And it was a duvet, and I just never got the filler for it. So when it started getting ready to get cold or cooler, I threw my waiting blanket, my calm blanket over it, and took off the red and black duvet. But as we are getting into late fall, next comes winter. I am in the Midwest, so I had to get me some warm bedding on. But I am a sweater. So I had to find some sheets that didn't cost an arm and a leg, but are made for sweaters. So these are supposed to be cooling sheets. I will do a review after a while, let you guys know if they really were cooling sheets. But like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell a friend, come right back, and we're going to get this bed done. I'm about to turn my music on, so I'm going to play music for y'all too, okay?
Yo, my boy. I'm in the line, bro. You hit me back, man. What's going on with you, man? Shit, out the way. I feel you. Fuck with me, don't link, hit me on the book or something. You feel me? First thing first, we can't talk if you make statements. My new boo interview because she thinks she a replacement. My niggas ain't working, still you catch them at the day shift. They hit that boy at it and they sent them to the basement. Niggas posting guns, what you trolling police? I move like SB Dunks, I be low with the heat. Call me Mr. Freeze, they be froze when I speak. Running game on hoes, who controlling to me? Yeah, we Tims, baby, you can't tie me down. Maybe so if you was it, but you looking like a clown. Probably see a nigga up, so you tryna hold me down. Graduated for the cap, all you need is a gown, huh? Hold up, let me take you niggas to school. That don't mean you put in work, cause he came with the tool. Just throwing books at niggas like they staying in school. Like the Dipset anthem, I'm just dropping it too, Who gon' pick it up? Drop the low, who gon' pick it up? I drop the low, who gon' pick it up? I drop the low, who gon' pick it up? Bitch, I'm first, never last, yeah. Brody with me and he don't give no pass, yeah. Niggas joggers, why you sitting on your ass, yeah? Say I'm
Stop. Alright, I had to stop the music for a minute to ask or to tell the people who may be asking, where's my headboard? Two reasons I don't have one. One, I never really got too comfy cozy in this apartment because I don't like the unit, but because of the pricing, I'm at $1,100. Anything else is $13, $14 and up. I'm going to stay another year and then hopefully transition out into a movable home. The other reason I don't have a headboard is every relationship I've been in, we've broken the headboard. I know, that may be TMI, but it's the truth. So if I were to have some relations over here, at this point it would be some heavy hunching because I've been single 4 years, almost 5, and celibate 3.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So headboards are not a big thing for me because I've broken them all the time. Wow. So here you have it. From old to new. Ain't nothing like some fresh bedding. And one of my friends asked me, why am I doing household makeovers when I'm getting ready to go on my cruise? Well, the truth of the matter is, I want to feel excited and happy coming back home to a clean, fresh house, fresh bedding. My bathroom is done, so this was kind of to play off of the bathroom set. That's what came up with this color scheme. And I noticed that my good friend on YouTube, Eraz B, got a similar color. So that is the story behind why I did my bedding shopping now versus after my cruise. So when I come out, it's gonna be on and popping. And this is my 20-pound calming blanket. I'm gonna leave it at the edge of the bed for whenever I feel I want it. But I'll tell you, that mob makes me 9,000 degrees hotter too. And I have my two things here that I use. This was given or told me to get this when I went to physical therapy for my herniated disc. And this one is one I bought on Temu. But it also helps for the same thing. So if I'm really hurting, sometimes I'll do this and just sit here for like 10 minutes. I find this to be more helpful than doing things like gabapentin and stuff like that. I don't like the way the medicine makes me feel, so I try to do stretches and stuff to help my neck issues for the now. But that's why your boy had to get rid of the braids, because I couldn't keep up with all that physical work. Now look at my brand new fan, already dirty. Them damn incense. Do y'all want to ask me some questions? Do I got enough viewers now that I could pull off a Q&A? I mean, I'm even willing to do a live Q&A if you guys want to do that. So, you know, you can give me some comments and the feedback in the comments, and we'll go from there. But if you don't get a video from me on the 15th, don't panic. I'll probably post on the community wall. So right now I'm about to figure out what I'm gonna eat. I'm toggling between pizza and some leftover meatloaf. See how I kind of made it to match my bathroom. Bathroom bedding. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend to tell a friend.
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart, I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still billed me. They took my innocence, no surprise I pled guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.